All right, let's talk about your assignments for week number 6. So, the first thing you'll want to do is cover your course readings for the new modules. So, we'll take a look at those before we look at that informative outline. So, we are moving into a new module, and this module will cover both verbal and nonverbal. Of course, we are moving forward in the speech planning process. So, you have submitted your topic selection report and then most recently the research assignment. And so pay close attention to the feedback that I give you for that research assignment as we lean forward this week. So, looking at the verbal aspects of delivery and then you're reading for the nonverbal aspects of delivery. Of course, you've got a video resource and some mini lectures, but what you're going to want to do is pay close attention to these chapters because you're going to be applying what you learn from those chapters directly into your informative speech. So these will be great pieces to continue our study of communication as we look at how both the verbal aspect, your use of language, and then also the nonverbal aspects, which cover a variety of nonverbal dimensions, impact and can be effective when we look at both public speaking that you're working on right now, and also interpersonal and intrapersonal aspects of communication as well. So then if we look at the other assignment that is due this week, it is your informative outline. So for this assignment, like the other assignments that you've been working on towards your informative speech, there is a template and there's also a sample. And so that you can use these to either build your outline or see an example of an outline as you create yours. It's going to be very important that you take the oral citation that you created in your research assignment for each source and that you plug that piece directly into this informative outline so that the research that you did last week goes directly into this assignment and we keep building into our speech planning process for the product of the informative speech. As always, please let me know if you have any questions.